Board, got it washed, unhooked, all that. I can't remember if I recorded that or not, but we're starting where it matters, and that's back here in the back. But so this back door, we need to get it down, and without these cables, it's a pain in the butt, and it takes a lot of people. Well, just one of me, and so gonna go and get an adjustable wrench and loosen that drum right there, and then loosen that one. And I'm gonna have to find, or I'm gonna drill a little screw into a door straight across from that one, so that they're at equal lengths and the door is not all warped. And then I'll also loosen that drum. I think they're called drums. So, but yeah, first things first, this door needs to be usable. And I gotta cut the lock off the back of it because I lost the key. But so yeah, gotta do that. So might as well start on it now. I don't know how much I'll record because I don't have a camera person. And so yeah, gonna go get adjustable. It is tight. If I loosen that right there, it's gonna pop up and all kinds of crap. So gonna go in and get some tools and a stool and come right back out here. There's a mess up on the other one. Put another new bolt in it. That looks like crap. And here, the other two, that looks bad. Cutting that rot out right there. That's spray paint. Cutting all that rot out and then replacing the rot. And then this is, the fender wells are getting repainted, and the walls are getting painted. Pressure wash first. This E-Trac's got to come up so they can get repainted. I mean, get cleaned out up under it. And the whole floor's got to get washed and painted. And then we're painting the walls and doing LEDs in them. Dave wants to stain the cabinets, so they'll look pretty good. And this winch is going to be our source of opening and closing that door, because the old cable and spring system is just so far gone. I mean, it's there, but we couldn't figure it out. So push button power door. We're gonna put the remote up there, up under the shelf, so you can stand up at this door and let the back door down. Have it mounted up under there somewhere. Just run the cables behind all that, and then mount the winch over here or right in the center, whichever one works. So oh, a good bit last night. Didn't make a whole lot of progress. We're out here till damn near 11. I had to listen to David complain the whole time.
I wasn't complaining.
This adjustable wrench really makes it look like we don't know what we're doing.
No, it don't. I mean, you have a 3/8 Milwaukee in there. Oh, she made on that hoe.
Technically, we're now working more efficiently than the Milwaukee would be.
The Milwaukee would be done by now.
It was hard to have the winch on it by now. Hell yeah.
Yeah, brother.
Now where's the winch? Just stop messing with that and you won't have to worry about it.
I thought I did last night when Dustin explained it to me.
Why'd you pull it out of there?
Because Dustin, if it would have done that, it would be going back up under this in a big ass bind.
All right. Put that right there for right now. You want to turn it around the other way? No, I was just saying, like, does it matter?
I'm gonna have to hold this while somebody else puts the nut in there.
Right where?
There.
I can't see it.
Well, get on there, son.
Do I need the stool? Oh, there it is. Just don't drop it.
I'm not planning on it.
Don't let go, David.
Oh, let go right now.
All right, there you go. You can. Ouch. You can take it. You can.
Yep. All right, next one.
Landon has it, I think. Should have put the cables on it first. The power cables.
No, it's right there.
Okay.
Why didn't you hand me that washer with it?
Oh wait, you need a lock. Oh, I put the lock. Wait, what do you need?
The lock washer's on there.
Yeah, but what are you missing?
He didn't hand me this washer to begin with.
Oh. Yeah, we hold it up.
Oh.
Anything to get Dave fired up.
Be good. Hey, Lanny, can you like do that with it? Just.
Yeah.
Listen, this is you. You got a smaller fingers. I'll take the GoPro.
He's looking at the cubby.
Yeah, you see it now. Why is the screen black?
Oh. It's just yeah, shallow. Ow. Got dust in my eyes or something.
Oh man, fucking rusted. Oh no, it's just paint.
Well, Dave, that's a lock nut. Why do we need a lock washer?
I don't know. Just put it up there.
Dave, you remember that tickle fight we had last night?
No, I do not recall that.
Alright, there we go. Alright, those are like what, 7/16? I got one.
Yes.
Damn, look at my face. Not a 7/16. Good, Dave.
You're welcome.
Thank you. The top one's a 9/16. Oh, I do some soup.
No sense. Could have seen him one day. He had an extension built out this long just to take the bolt out. That he just needed an extension like that much.
Oh, that needs an extension. Now that blew the old shoulder blade out.
Got a battery we can test it out on?
I do.
Good.
Be careful not to hit the power wire on that right there.
Dustin,
You wanna
how in the fuck is it gonna
reach?
do anything when there's no battery?
What? You want me to go ahead and get the battery?
Where's the battery at?
Possibly in the four-wheeler or around the four-wheeler. Battery. Still not sure that the cables are long enough to reach to where we want to put the battery, but we're going to extend the cables anyway, just so that we can put the remote control up at the front of the trailer by the access door coming into the garage area. So we'll see what happens, see how much room we do have and how much we're going to have to add. Obviously we're going to add about 20 feet of cord once we do that, but at least it's on there.
Go there. Well, this son of a bitch gotta go way down there, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
How the f the battery gonna stay here and this son of a bitch go way down yonder without having to cut it?
You leave these wires right here and you just run these two all the way down there.
Hey, no,
Alright.
Alright. David, on a real note, would it be easier to also take the battery down there?
It would make it a hell of a lot easier.
Okay, well, do you want to do that since there's already a receptacle up there? We could just keep a battery charger up there. Would you rather do that?
He shook his head, yeah.
That,
Yeah, just two.
Okay.
Use two wire.
yeah.
Two wire.
2 wire.
2 wire. Howdy. What you doing over there?
Watching you. Why not use the green and the red?
Why are you cutting that in? I'm kidding. Are these big enough? I don't think they are.
Took about an hour to cut 3 strands.
Alright, tell the camera what you're doing here.
Cutting.
Alright, so
Look at that, we don't trust you.
you can cut the excess
Yep.
green and white off.
Yep, so it don't look bad.
Some things are not. I'll be damned if they cut it. I'm gonna be for real with you.
Yeah, you got a better chance with the
Oh,
scissors.
oh,
I'll be
yeah.
damned. Old girl still got some fight in her.
Alright, I'll record and not touch a thing.
We gotta hand
Thank
them tools
you.
though.
Okay, I'll hand them tools. We can make a little shelf for the
A
battery.
little shelf, and we can hide this. But
Yeah.
but
Hey, we
right
could always
there-
mount that into this.
That's what I thought you were gonna do on that.
Ouch. Because that way we could use those studs.
What's all that up there?
Paint. That gray paint.
So do you want to? Because I need to know, like,
Yeah.
or down here,
It'd be easier on this, don't you think?
right here.
Yeah. And
Okay.
if you wanted to, we could even run the cords through the top up there.
No,
No?
too much work. Just keep it on that side.
Why don't we mount it right here?
No.
You don't want it. Why don't
Nope.
you want to put it through
Nope.
there? Well, then I'll do it later. Do you know how to do that?
Right up through there, just like that, and have them bounce it right there.
Oh, we'll put the battery up there.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut a hole out in the roof.
The battery in here.
We'll drill out holes for.
All right, let's put it all in there. Put the battery in there, and we can just put up.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but it would have to come out through here,
Yep.
and so it could.
All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to mark all 4 of those out, and then I'll drill the holes for it, and then I'll bolt it up.
You'll have to have this go in through here and run down, unless you want to just drill a hole right where you mark it at. We feed the line through there, and it just be look like this. It'd only have 2 wires coming out of it, because these 2 here will be drilled into here.
Go into the battery.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
So where you mark these out, mark another hole,
Mark those and drill those out.
Yep.
Okay.
and then right above it, take one of those little circle drill bit things,
Punch through.
punch through.
4. Or 2
are
are going in, and these are
Just
going
going-
up. Yeah. Okay.
These are going up, these are going in.
Okay. Mass confusion.
What I can do,
Oh my gosh, we're still gonna lock that. Start working back the other way.
All right, look at me. Look that way. You got like a blood clot in your eye.
probably. Huh. Oh well. Oh no, that was from where I got that metal in my eye earlier.
I was about to say,
Oh, okay.
it's probably where you got wood or something off in his eye.
Go ahead and get the battery ready to be hooked up while you do that. So is the up arrow mean out or in?
Look at the picture.
Yeah.
The picture will tell you.
The picture is just, it's the same picture, but one arrow goes up and one arrow goes down. I'm just gonna assume that the arrow pointing down means the arrow it's going. So that's down or that's out, right?
This is in because it's pointing into the spool.
Okay.
This is going out because it's going away from the spool.
All right. I didn't think about that being there.
If you want,
Why are you shaking your head?
that spool all balling up.
It's just not fine to do it.
That's what all that creaking and popping.
Oh, okay. That's not the door.
No, that's
Cool.
You're welcome again.
Appreciate the help again, both ends. Thanks, guys. Go and hit it for the Snapchat. Somebody. The cable.
Yeah. I'm sitting here trying to bring the battery up so I have another extra little oof.
It's all balled up on the left side.
Oh shit. No, that's bump it. Just bump it. Alright, come on
go outside and latch it now. Everybody told me to get out of the way. Oh.
Oh, dude, look at the claws.
Yeah.
They're purple.
Rip more out.
Yeah, that. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Thanks, Landon. I didn't think you'd want to go pro up in your schnoz. David likes them like that.
Do what?
I didn't think you wanted a camera up in your snout.